Hi guys, how you doing? I'm good. I'm good. Little bit down this morning. Um, Losing color real quick. And there's storm clouds coming in from one of the hurricanes. I don't know. Uh, but I thought, well, I'll just go out for a ride and see what I can come up with. And I'm telling you that this phone does nothing to show you what the colors really like. But anywho, I just wanted to show you all the people are getting ready for winter up here, and they're taking in their boats, and you can tell all the slips are mostly empty now. And when the lake isn't drained, uh, the water's comes up quite a bit. uh, right up there. It's probably about, I don't know, 10 feet, because that's a movable dock, and it will float. You know, it comes up with. Okay, here. The water comes up way up there. That's a nice tree right there. Anyway, just a little thing about, getting ready for winter. Woo-hoo-hoo. Later. Okay, I'm back. I'm still at the same spot, and I was coming down here, taking Sammy for a walk, but he didn't do anything, so anyway. And you think, oh my God, don't these people ever mow their yard? And so I got to looking, and this is not grass. All these little bunches of, I guess you'd call them weeds. But all these little bunches, you know what they are? If you pick them and smell them, they are actually wild onion. You might call them, I don't know if you call them chives or not, but oh my God, I wish you could smell them. Oh, they're wonderful. Oh, I don't have any eggs left, but they'd make a great spice for some eggs. Oh, all right. Just a little heads up, but there's food all around you. So just want to give you gotta be careful though. Gotta be careful, because you never know. You gotta know what you're doing. And so I would get a book of edible plants, and until you know what you're doing. So anywho, I'll be back. Now, these are people I could hang out with, because they are, oh, look at Santa Claus in the window. They've already got their Christmas decorations up. Oh man, look at the tree. Look at the little tree. Oh my God, I gotta come back here at night. Ah! I love these people. I love them. They are my friends. Hey guys, I am making supper, and what I'm doing is I'm gonna make some goulash. Well, we call it goulash. You know, I don't know what you would call it. Maybe a mess. I don't know. But I'm boiling some macaroni, and when I get that cooked and rinsed off, I'm going to be adding some chili with beans. And that should make a pretty good goulash. Ooh, I forgot. Maybe I should cut up some onions. I don't have time. Okay, never mind. We'll be back with the finished product. Okay, the noodles are done, so we're going to add the chili with beans. Hold on. Got to put this down. La, 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 la. I'll be right there. Don't worry. Okay, I added the chili with beans. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it. Okay, voila! Goulash. At least that's what we called it in my family. So anyway, it's time to eat dinner. I'm going to boil some water because I got some green tea. I'm going to try it. They say that'll help your stomach. I can't drink coffee or tea on an empty stomach. I'm hoping maybe green tea will do the trick. So anywho, take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo. Hoo-hoo. Hey, listen to me. Okay, I'm back. The only thing that would have made this taste better was some peanut butter bread. Oh, that'd just top it off just real nice. Oh, I hope you're proud of yourself, Mr. Truck. Oh, they get all excited when they can go up a hill. All right, see you later.